Car accidents happen, and when they do happen, it's good to reason with the other driver and reach a middle ground with some compensation for the damage. However, these drivers chose violence as their way of response in these situations. Here's a compilation of the most epic road rage videos. Damn, the owners of the car surrounded the SUV guy by all four corners, but it looks like he found the fifth corner and escaped after intentionally hitting the car behind him. That's one disgusting man. First he drives drunk, then crashes into a Subaru, and then when the owner comes out to reason with him, he just runs away. How dumb is this woman? First she crashes into a road barricade, then she forcefully tries to get out of it. This driver was so drunk that he hit a parked car and still didn't have the decency to stay and bear the consequences. So folks, never drive when you're drunk. This idiot driver thinks that just like in GTA games, traffic rules don't apply. He's such a reckless driver, and after hitting the car, he just ran away. Another case of drunk driving here. The driver crashed into 3 parked cars in broad daylight and then to avoid confrontation ran away from the scene. This car was running away after hitting the car of the person recording this video, but he didn't give up. He kept giving his car a tough chase, bumping this car a couple of times until the culprit escaped. Don't you hate it when drivers cut you off like that and act as if they own the highway? This driver wasn't letting the video maker go ahead, but he wasn't messing around. Another dumb and morally disgusting guy crashed into a car to avoid confrontation for his actions. Just ran away like a sissy. These drivers wanted to fight each other, but instead of choosing to use their fists, they chose to use their cars. This is what a car fart looks like. This pickup guy did a cold burnout on the car right behind him. Who do you think's at fault here, the guy with the blue car or the truck driver? Well, I'd consider the truck driver the culprit here, as he just stepped in all of a sudden. This guy deserves murder charges if anything happened to the guy whose car ran into the truck. He drove recklessly and damaged 3 cars. David has definitely beaten Goliath here, but what was the guy's fault with the white pickup? His car got damaged for no reason at all. Well, your everyday parking brawl right here. By the way, the woman was way too abusive with the guy making the video. Another idiotic driver who was cutting off the driver making this video without giving an indicator. There's a special place in hell for guys like these. This lorry driver is pushing the car just like my mom used to push me to school on Mondays when I was 7. This guy's bumping the living hell out of the reversing car here. We have no idea what led to this epic confrontation, but it sure is fun to see. When you're involved in an accident, try to reason with the driver instead of trying to fight out like animals. Road rage has no age. Another lorry that just cannot see the car that is pushing. Who gives these guys licenses to run commercial vehicles? Here are 2 cars trying to ram each other, and in the end, it's the black car that won the fight. Someone please bring him a medal.